In this video, I am going to show you how we will do the insertion sort. So basically, uh, if you are seeing this image, you can get an idea how we will do the insertion sort. So I will take that image from the beginning. So basically 6531. So I am taking 6 initially, and there is nothing to compare. Then I am taking 5, so 5 I am comparing with 6, so 5 is less than, so it's moving to the fifth one. Then I am taking the third one, that's 3, and I am comparing, so it's 3 right now, 3 in the beginning. Then I am taking 1. For each iteration I am taking that element and comparing it to the yeah, the following elements, not following the previous elements. So comparing and moving, inserting into that particular place. That's where insertion sort works. So how we will program, you can see right now. So I'm in data structure right now. So I am here, and insertion sort, and inside that one, like what we did, public static void, and yeah, insertion. Okay, so right now I need to write. So actually, based on my previous example image, how we will do that. So whenever we are getting a array here, so we will get an int array here, and the first thing that I need is int. Yeah, actually, I will create a for loop. Anyway, I need to create a for loop. So then I will take the first element. So I can start with the 1. Since zeroth element I didn't need to compare it with the yeah, with anything, right? So basically I don't need compare 5 to anything. So basically not 5 initially. What is the value? 6 with anything. I need to start only with 5, so I am going to take it as a 1. Then I less than until array dot length. So then I will increase my array count. So that's my outer loop. Then inside loop, actually I'm taking each element as a key initially. So if I am just assuming this one as a key initially, and it will increment I for each iteration, and key will update based on that. And here, yeah, here in j is equal to I minus 1. So what I'm going to do is, so whenever I am taking a key, so I'm going again here. If I am taking 5, I need to start comparing from 6. If I am taking 2, I need to start from 7, 8 and go on. So basically the j will start with I minus 1. So uh, and until what? I mean I minus 1. What will be the endpoint for j? So j should be greater than minus 1. So until 0 I can go, and also I should have another condition. So if array dot j array dot j should be greater than key. So key is small comparing to array of j. So I took the keys 5 and I will continue up to the array of j is greater. Then then yeah, then the while condition is going on. I mean, inside that I need to change something. So for we are going to that image again. If I am taking 8, I need to compare it to 1, 3, 5. So 8 is greater than 1, so it will not execute anything. So in this case 3, I am taking 3 and it is 3 is less than 6, so I am continuing to the next loop. 3 is less than 5 and so on. So I need to move every element. So that's the thing in insertion sort. Each time we will move each element based on our condition. So what I am going to do is array of j plus 1. I need to find the space for my key. That's the ultimate aim here. So I am just changing array of j plus 1 into array of j, and I'm minusing that one. So here I can understand that. So array so what I need is I need to increment every other array into other array elements into one point into the right. That I am doing here. Array of j plus 1. I am assigning array of j value. That's why I am doing that. So if I am assigning array of j plus 1 array of j value, the array of j value will not change, only the array of j plus 1 value will change. That also a significant thing for this kind of sorting. Then what I am going to do next is, after my while loop ended, I got a place here, so I can take the same j for finding the index of that particular place available to place my key. So I place here, even if it is not satisfying this one, I am placing my key into the j plus 1 elements. So j plus 1 elements means I minus 1. It will start with I minus 1. So I am adding plus 1 here, so it will save on the same place if this condition is not met. So if this condition is met, it's moving all the elements into the right. So yeah, we are done right now. So in the same way that we did for bubble sort and what selection sort, right? Yeah, selection sort. We are going to take this and probably, where is the insertion sort? Yeah, so I reach here. So here I'm just sorting, and right now I need to get the, so I got in 1 2 3 3 4 5 6. So basically it works. So it's a very simple thing. So in insertion sort, what we did, no, in selection sort, what we did, selection sort, we will pass all the elements for array of j is greater than array of index. Then yeah, then we are taking that index element and we are just swapping we are finding the smallest element in each iteration for each index. So in selection sort, we are not doing that. We are just change. We are just moving the largest element into the right, and we are putting our smallest element into a particular index. That's where uh, insertion sort works. Another thing that I am going to discuss here is, so if I am just red dots to string, what I will get, so it will not print anything, right? Yeah, it will not print anything. So yeah, that's fine. So it was it's for just to check whether it's print all the elements. There is something, yeah, I guess we are fine right now. So for this insertion sort, so it's just straightforward. Probably we need to know all the difference. So in this case, we know that we are swapping for each one. For j minus 1 is greater than j, I will swap j minus 1 and j in bubble sort. Selection sort, in each iteration, I'm uh, finding the lowest element and sorting into that particular place. So if it will start with I is equal to 0, then ith place, that's the index place, I am storing the smallest element. So insertion sort is a totally different thing. That's all for this one. Probably I will come with some other topic on my next video.